people in the North Bay, they're bracing for tomorrow's storm. Our Itay Hod shows us how first responders are preparing for anything that Mother Nature throws at them.
Ever since he can remember, Andrew Wada has been dreaming of this very moment.
It's been something I've been working towards for years and years.
Born and raised in Mill Valley, he's always wanted to become a firefighter.
That's always been a goal of mine, to work and live in the same community. So now that's my dream has finally come true. It's an awesome opportunity. Woodacre 1556.
A rookie firefighter paramedic who is a first responder to all kinds of disasters. He's getting ready for his first big storm as yet another atmospheric river brings heavy rain and possible flooding in the North Bay as early as Tuesday night.
I heard that we might be upstaffing.
The National Weather Service has issued flood warnings for the region as well as a wind advisory. The Marin County Fire Department, where Andrew works, has a sandbagging station all set up, though few residents have taken advantage of it.
It is really difficult because nobody believes that a storm is coming with the sun coming out and the beautiful sunrise this morning, but it's coming. Yes.
Mari Ochoa is the public information officer for the Marin County Fire Department. She says the station has been beefing up its staff ahead of the big storm, with an expected 6 to 8 inches of rain in central Marin County.
We expect outages, which is probably one of the primary concerns for the public. Everybody needs to get prepared by making sure that they have backup batteries and their stay box, food, water.
For Andrew, it means making sure everything is up to snuff. Other than that, he says, he's not too worried.
We're ready for anything that comes our way.
Preparing for the looming atmospheric river and helping his fellow citizens go with the flow.